Are you tired of your iPhone battery draining faster than ever? A new update might just be the solution you've been waiting for. But did you know that simply restarting your device could make a difference? Let's dive into how Apple's latest iOS 26 update is changing the game for battery life and what you need to do to take full advantage of it. Apple has recently rolled out iOS 26, an exciting beta release packed with innovative features and a sleek new design. However, as is often the case with beta versions, some users have reported challenges with battery performance. If you're one of those users struggling to get through the day without constantly hunting for a charger, there's good news. A simple yet powerful setting can help you maximize your device's battery life. But here's where it gets interesting. This feature isn't just about cutting corners. It's about smart optimization. The star of this update is Adaptive Power Mode, a groundbreaking addition to Apple's suite of battery-saving tools. While low power mode has long been a go-to solution for extending battery life, it often comes at the cost of reduced performance. Adaptive Power Mode, on the other hand, takes a more refined approach. It intelligently adjusts your device's operations in real time to conserve energy without compromising speed or functionality. Think of it as having a personal assistant for your phone that knows exactly when to step in and tweak things for optimal efficiency. So, how does Adaptive Power Mode actually work? When your iPhone detects heavy usage, like streaming videos, gaming, or running multiple apps simultaneously, it subtly modifies certain processes. For instance, it might slightly dim the screen brightness or allow tasks to complete over a slightly longer period. These changes happen seamlessly in the background, ensuring that your experience remains smooth and uninterrupted. And unlike low power mode, which imposes stricter limitations, Adaptive Power Mode strikes a perfect balance between saving energy and maintaining performance. That said, if your battery dips below 20%, low power mode may still kick in as an additional safeguard. Now here's the part most people miss. Adaptive Power Mode isn't available on all iPhones. This feature relies on Apple Intelligence, meaning only devices equipped with AI capabilities can utilize it. Specifically, the following models support this mode: iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16e, iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Unfortunately, if you own an iPhone 14 Pro or any earlier model, you won't be able to access this feature since these devices lack the necessary AI infrastructure. Additionally, to enable Adaptive Power Mode, you'll need to ensure that your phone is running the beta version of iOS 26. Keep in mind that beta software can sometimes come with bugs or instability, so proceed with caution if you decide to upgrade. Ready to activate Adaptive Power Mode? Here's a quick step-by-step guide. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on the battery option. 3. Select Power Mode from the menu. 4. Toggle on the switch for Adaptive Power Mode. Once enabled, your phone will begin optimizing its energy consumption automatically. You might not notice dramatic changes immediately, but over time, you should see improvements in your battery's longevity. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is Adaptive Power Mode truly revolutionary? Or is it just another incremental improvement? Some tech enthusiasts argue that relying on AI for battery management is a natural evolution, while others feel it's merely a band-aid for deeper hardware inefficiencies. What do you think? Do you believe Apple's new feature is worth the hype, or are there better ways to tackle battery drain? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. Disclaimer: the information provided here is based on publicly available sources, including content adapted from India Herald. While we've restructured and expanded upon the original material for clarity and depth, credit for the foundational insights goes to their respective authors.